Hello everyone. So this is a web application that I built and I thought to make a demo out of it. So the name says jigs.sv, but it doesn't really matter. So what we can do over here is we can go to any website. We basically need an image. So I will go search for Google Images and I found this apples as for demo. So I'm gonna copy the image and then put it in my website, like paste clipboard, and in seconds, like, there is an AI that estimates the depth from this image, and then you can create this mesh. Like, this is not new, I know, but what we have combined over here is the eye tracking that actually captures from your webcam your eyes, the position of your eyes, and figures out like how to kind of project on the screen, so that your eyes see it as if this apples are kind of floating through a glass screen in real life. So I will show you the effect and you will kind of understand what I'm talking about. Uh, like that will be better to first beforehand, like we have to do is kind of the webcam FOV have to match. It's currently 60 but it should be 54ish. I found, like, on searching, like the Apple's webcam has a 54 FOV, and then the inter-pupil distance for me is kind of lower, also like 55, and then smoothing is something that AI just gave. I don't need it. And also depth offset is like how much behind in actual life you wanna pretend it to be. So this is kind of nice. And quickly just show you the height scaling, like some exponent changing height scale, like you wanna have some value, like this thing is okay. And then you can just show the demo, right? So I'm seeing this from the front, and then when I go from the side, just imagine that these apples are kind of floating in the air like a hologram. So when I move from left to right, you can see my eyes are tracked, and the view is kind of skewed in that way so that it matches what I would see if the apples were floating in the air. So you can also, like, relative motion, right? So you can change the rotation of the laptop, and that would also kind of do the same thing. You can tilt it. So that's the effect. I know, like, I haven't seen like combined effect all put together to make a nice application. So I'm thinking kind of to make this not an image but as a video player, so that you can watch your favorite anime maybe, or you know what I'm talking about. So based on that point, I will also add the deformation tool that I built earlier, which kind of allows you to deform the objects in real time. So I want to show you. Before that, I'm gonna just make it suitable for. So this is, like, you can deform the apples, like you can touch the apples, you can feel it, maybe make it more bouncy or more area. So that's the project is currently all about. So you can see it again. Maybe close this thing. Yeah. So just imagine, like, the apple is not on the screen, it's floating in the air, and you will be selling this out. So on the real life, like, I would like to talk about just adding it before, I think, because we have two eyes and there is only one screen, right? So there's a problem, like we have to provide different perspectives from for both the eyes, right? So that is not possible. So what you have to do is just close one eye, and your brain kind of is fooled in that way, thinks that it's a 3D apple image. So So it's not tracking my lens right now. It's tracking my eyes, and I'm moving my eyes along with my lens. So that's what is giving the effect right now.